Did you know that grapes are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health? In this video, we'll explore the power of grapes and the amazing impact they can have on your overall well-being. So, let's dive right in. Grapes are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for optimal health. They can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Sounds impressive, right? One of the key benefits of eating grapes regularly is their positive impact on heart health. Grapes contain natural compounds that can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood flow, keeping your heart happy and healthy. But it doesn't stop there. Grapes also support brain health. Their antioxidant properties help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. This, in turn, can enhance cognitive function and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Not only are grapes good for your heart and brain, but they also promote digestive health. They're high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Plus, grapes contain natural sugars that provide a quick energy boost without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. So, how can you incorporate grapes into your daily routine? It's simple. Enjoy them as a refreshing snack, add them to salads for a burst of flavor, or even use them in smoothies for a nutritious twist. Remember, though, moderation is key. While grapes are incredibly healthy, they still contain natural sugars and calories. So, be mindful of your portion sizes. In conclusion, the power of grapes on your health is truly remarkable. From supporting heart health to boosting brain function and aiding digestion, these little berries pack a powerful punch. So, start embracing the benefits of grapes and make them a part of your everyday routine. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more informative content. Remember, your health is in your hands, and we're here to guide you on your journey.